Welcome to the NZGB Navigation tutorial. NZGB is accessed via the Operations Customer Portal. NZGB can be accessed as a guest or registered user. The first pop-up you will see is the user agreement. Read and click Accept to proceed to the application. Next, you'll see the dashboard. This is where you can switch between the short-term and long-term models for N-1-G. The graph shows the current estimated generation balance. Change the time period on display by resizing and dragging the slider. Hover over a bar to reveal more information. Next, we will look at the NZGB menu. This menu can be expanded or collapsed by clicking here. This is the NZGB menu while viewing the application as a guest. Once logged in, there are more items on this menu. Click Documents to download information uploaded by the NZGB admins. Use the radio buttons to filter by type. You can click Next to see page 2. You can then click the download icon for the document you need. Next, we'll look at the user menu over on the right. You can see here that we're viewing as a guest. If you have a login for POCP, you will automatically have an NZGB profile. If you don't have a profile, you can register here. You can find more information on this in the user guide, which can be found here. For now, we're going to log in as a registered user. Now that we're logged in as a registered user, you can see the screen looks very similar. However, there are some differences. Firstly, the dashboard now has tabs that display additional information, such as the N-1 generation balance. The default sensitivity scenario is the base scenario. The sensitivity scenario can be changed using the drop-down. To view the daily detail page for an individual day, click on the bar for that date. Using the slider bar will make it easier to navigate to the day you want. On the daily detail page, you can switch between 3 tabs: the generation balance model output, outages, and available generation. There are tooltips within the daily detail page that provide you with extra information. Hover over the icon to display the tooltip. To easily navigate between days, click on the arrows here. Click back to return to the generation balances page. To export the results of the generation balance calculation for further analysis, click the Export button here. Now that we've looked at the difference between a guest and registered user on the dashboard, let's take a look at the additional features for registered users in the menus. On the NZGB menu, registered users can also see the comments page and the changelog page. On the comments page, you can see any comments left by the NZGB admins. These provide information for NZGB users. The changelog details any updates that are made to the NZGB model. Finally, let's look at the user menu. Registered users can enable notifications to receive an email when a document is uploaded, such as the monthly report or NZGB assessment.